Today we are hopefully entering Malaysia, but first we need to leave Thailand and this hotel, which I'm very disappointed with. I strongly do not suggest it. Imagine you pay 900 baht for a room, which it's a fair price in many places. What is the name of the hotel? It's a Gold Hotel. And then, you know what? They want 1,000 baht as insurance that you're not gonna break the room. Imagine, you pay 900, they ask you 1,000. And not only that, they want 1,000 in cash. And I'm like, I have less than 1,000, I'm heading to Malaysia. I just wanna leave the Thai baht in Thailand. I don't wanna withdraw more Thai baht. And they're like, no, you need to give us the 1,000. And I'm like, I'm not going to the ATM to withdraw money as a foreigner. You're gonna pay 220, which is like $7 each time you withdraw money. So to withdraw $30, I need to pay $7 extra. I'm like, there is no way I'm gonna withdraw money. And we had large discussions until some manager appeared and they decided for 500 with card. And then today they finally gave me back the 500 because of course I'm not gonna destroy the room. But it is awful experience when you have to discuss about these things and they are gonna insist. And I insist too because I have my own rights. I paid for the hotel in advance and then I have to come here and pay with cash. I paid everything in advance so I don't have to use cash. Anyway, let's head to the train station. In this part of Thailand, the traffic lights, they are not for the people, they are just for the cars. So you never know if you can cross or not. Like, there is no red light for me. There is a car going fast and I have no insurance. But yeah, so there is this tiny train that will bring us to the Malaysian border. And another weird thing about this town, everything is weird. Imagine, you cannot buy the train ticket in advance. So yesterday I went to the ticket counter and they told me, oh, you can buy the ticket tomorrow, you cannot buy it today. And I'm like, okay. So I went there today at 8 or 9 AM and I told to the lady I want to buy the ticket for the train at 2 that goes to the border with Malaysia. And she's like, no, you can buy this ticket only from 12. Like, lady, who made these rules? I understand it's not you that made the rules. This is so freaking weird. So anything that is happening in this town is absolutely a mess. And I have one last bad thing about this town. To me this town sucks by now. I went to KFC, I know. Eating shitty food, yeah, sometimes I'm guilty of that. And I buy this meal with the sandwich. And guess what? The chicken was raw inside. The KFC specialized in the raw chicken. And now the other problem is you cannot even make a bad review on Google of the restaurant because the restaurant will sue you and you will end up in prison for multiple years, like this American guy that wrote bad reviews about a resort in Thailand. In Thailand there is no freedom of speech and that's the truth. So yeah, sorry for all the complaints. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful way to start the day and go to Malaysia. And once again, no real traffic lights, just these red stripes and there is a traffic light there. So strange place, but I'm very happy to go to Malaysia. I know Kuala Lumpur just a little, spend their day, maybe 3 days there or 4 days there. Super excited to go back to Malaysia. By the way, in this small town, which I cannot recall the name of, there are lots of Chinese tourists buying gold. You see? Lots of Chinese writing. And we can see Hat Yai station. So we are in Hat Yai. That on Google Maps is written Hat Yai. And that might be written in other ways in other applications. But it's all good. Let's hope we can get this ticket. That's the train hotel.
기다려, 엄마 펴고 있잖아.
I guess don't smoke and don't bring anything strange inside the station. I'll still check the temperature, 36 degrees. I guess I'm okay. Sawadee-Cup. The train to Malaysia border at 2 p.m. How much? Ah, passport. Oh. Tickets for travel today. They will not sell you the tickets for today, any other day. Come on, cut. Where exactly? Number 1? Number 5? Okay, thank you. Guys, to get out of the station, you cannot pass from the entrance. You have to pass through the back door. 1 hour and a half until my train ride, maybe 2 hours. So in the meantime I'm gonna go to Amazon Cafe to edit some shorts for this channel to publish on Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. Motorcycle, taxi, restaurants. Cafe Amazon is the local Starbucks and it is also like 4 times cheaper. So I suggest it. Next to it there is the KFC that serves raw chicken. Yesterday night when I came here to find out about the ticket, that's where I had the raw chicken. I had the experiences with raw chicken all over the south of Thailand, in Phuket too, in the market. I guess in Thailand I'm gonna start eating only beef. Beef is life. I was saying that mango shake is life, but now I'm gonna change it to beef. We go. 1 black coffee ice. Ice, no sugar.
Black coffee, no sugar.
Yes, 7 cup. This computer is a survivor. Oh my. It is so heavy and so broken. But it works greatly. Almost 4 kilograms. Joy and pleasure. There is too much light coming from outside, I cannot see the screen. I will move back there. Lamps. I hate them all. It doesn't seem to be appearing. Yeah. My headphones are not working. I think the computer port doesn't work because the headphones, they do work. Messy situation. Somehow, even my Bluetooth doesn't connect to the computer, they connect only to the telephone. But I did work a bit. Oh, the heat and the sun. What else do you need in life? Probably money to keep traveling. Please support the channel on PayPal and Patreon. Everything linked in description. Thank you. Kapun kap. Good. To Padang Besar?
Anak ada friend.
Number?
Number 5.
Number 5. Kapun kap. I wanted to make sure. Sorry, thank you. Come. Oh. So I guess that's the train.
Passengers are traveling on this train.
Hat Yai. You see here is written with another spelling. Over there is written with 2D. Hat Yai. And car 1 seat 32. I guess it's pretty hot inside. Thailand. Hopefully I'll see you more often. I guess there is one station just before the border, and then we will stop inside the border. One stop next to the other, just 100 meters away. This one is the border for the cars, so I guess I am inside Malaysia, and I still didn't get the passport stamp. Yeah? You end up exactly at the border checkpoint. They're touching the train. And behind me, all the line to get to the passport check. Also in front. Try to get to the coach number 1 to speed up the things. Goodbye. I guess somehow it will end up in front of the train and drag it again to Thailand. You shall not!